YouTube? Eric DIY here with another great review for you. Today we're going to review the Core Essentials fashion belt. It comes in very nice packaging. You have a nice bag built for the retail section here. The belt itself, which has a gunmetal color. They actually have different colors that you can buy online. They also have different styles, but this is the Express buckle gunmetal color. And it also comes with a guide on how to set up your belts and cut it to size and everything. So I've had a lot of experience with these type of belts. I actually prefer these type of belts compared to regular ones. My last regular belt, I had to put another notch in it. It's just I'm getting, I guess, too small for it, which is a good thing, I guess. But I want something that's totally adjustable, so that way, whether I gain or lose any more weight, I'll still have a nice belt that I can use. So on the back of the belt, they have the different waist sizes right here. I always go a little bit bigger than what I actually have, but that way you can cut it to size. It goes all the way from like 46, I think it was, down to 28. I'm sorry that I don't have the exact sizing things, but I had to size it for myself, and I did test this for weeks. What I really like about it compared to other belts just like this is that this one's not cheap. It's patented design. It has a nice spring release to it, which I'll show you in a second. And also, it locks down on the belt better than any belt of this style that I've ever had before. Usually this eases up over time. That's why I tested it for like a whole month, and it's like 5 out of 7 days I wore this belt for 4 weeks, and it is held steady. It doesn't come loose. It is basically the best design I've ever seen on a totally adjustable belt. The way the belt works is it has these little plastic knobs. Again, wore this for a long time. You can't even tell that this thing has been worn for a month. It's that well built. The leather is a nice grain quality to it. And what you do is put it on around your waist, obviously, and then you're going to have these ribs go into this part right here. And if you see inside here, there's a little catch thing that's going to catch on those ribs, and it's going to keep it nice, taut, and tight. So I'm going to put it through, goes underneath there, and you just pull it through. It automatically sizes to whatever you need, and then if I really tug on it, it's not going to let go at all. To release it, you're going to push this little button right here. You're going to push it away from your body and hold it down, and the belt just slips right out. Easy on, easy off design. So as you can see, I'm wearing the belt after work, and just to show you, it's easy to adjust if you just push this little metal clip, which is right here. Just push that out from you, and it comes undone. That easy. To put the belt on, you just put it in there, the buckle, which is really sturdy. Pull it through, and it sizes to fit. You just tuck it in right there, and that's how easy this belt goes. And you can see that looks great with a pair of black or even khaki pants. As far as fashion, the Core Essentials belt goes great with jeans or Dockers or a suit. I've worn it in all 3 occasions. I work as a teacher by day, and I like to wear a belt all the time, even on the weekends if I'm wearing a pair of jeans or whatever. It just makes it look more fashionable, and also keeps the jeans or pants up. So it's been nothing but a great belt, and I do highly recommend. Probably the best adjustable belt I've ever had. Overall, I'll probably be buying another 2 of these Core Essential belts over time, just to have different colors. They come in different colors, different styles, and I do highly recommend them. Again, the best adjustable belt I've ever had, and I've used the cheap Chinese ones from eBay. They don't last. They do not last. The leather either rips or the buckle goes, and you just can't keep it on the leather belt. So highly recommend the Core Essentials Express buckle and belt set. If you'd like to purchase your Core Essentials Express buckle and belt set, please look for a link in the description below. We're sending you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video review and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate everything you do for us. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.